Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to use Chevron Gas Rewards. Watch until the end to learn everything you need to know. With Chevron Gas Rewards, you can get fantastic discounts at participating gas stations and earn fuel credits. To redeem these rewards, your points will first be converted to cash. Here's how to use the redeemed points at participating Chevron and Texaco gas stations. First, launch the Chevron app on your mobile device. On the home page, click on Station Finder to look for participating stations. Tap on the filter at the top right side of the screen, then choose Chevron Texaco Rewards and click Apply. Go to the most convenient gas station featured on the app and fill your gas tank as usual. When prompted to pay at the center or register, input the phone number you used to sign up for Chevron Rewards. Depending on the discount you select, the equivalent points will be deducted, and the amount will be automatically credited from your gas purchase. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can use your Chevron Gas Rewards with no problem. Thanks for watching, and until next time.